Hi everyone, good morning. I hope doing well. I have mm, share something, and my mind and my heart are some deep thing, and they are discuss you and this video. I have apply more jobs and 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 some jobs are ongoing in totally on every step and stays are English conversations conversation. Then I want to go or uh, uh, go some company, and I I I going to some company, and I interview and HR, and the company HR, they ask firstly questions. They speak English fluently, and all 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 these conversations are English, and every discuss other people only are in English, only use English language. But my English is not be perfect, and not be speak fluent other people. Then then some interview are failed in even though those company, because my native language in Hindi, and 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 I sometime later I think I think English is a mandatory language in 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 companies and another world. I think this my mind. And I as second second thought, they are speak English, and the world connect to the world, and open a big opportunity all over the world, because English is not a language. English is a big opportunity big opportunity. They connect all over the world, and mostly are other people, they speak English, uh, in English, and I speak and all, and at this times, at this time I speak English, English, and some sentence are not be perfect, not be correct, and some words are wrong. Then even then I speak daily some conversations, something 5 to 10 minutes I speak daily, and even practice practice uh, English is a most important language, uh, la- language, uh, and English is a build a confident, and build a build a smarter, and other thing. I think I think I this is a thing in develop my mind. This is a correct. This is correct. And 17 to 18 days I speak English, and report a video, then upload Instagram and YouTube. And second thought, my mind dialogue. I speak confidently and fluent English language. uh, and other thing, a develop a newborn baby is does not this does not walk in one day, and it does not speak one day. And even they are practice and patient and consistency consistency. The newborn baby and father and mother sometime year they are perfect speak language and walking land. they they are they are follow this step. English, my English at this time, at this at this time, uh, 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 mm, uh, time not be a perfect, and follow the baby step. Even uh, even every day practice 10 to 15 minutes and 20 minutes are perfect perfect sometime later. And 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 are they are they are practice each day. And some and sometime they are not shoot a video, but I speak and practice and practice our day, our each day. I- be be a practice be a practice better a future, better a confident, and better discipline. Discipline. Even 6 to 7 month month are continuously are practice English language. They are the small change are confirm my language. At this time, my speak English repeat some sentence and some words, and not be perfect. But I speak in English, because and they are they are they are develop my mind, my mind are thinking are English, English, and I might turn might turn learn and practice English, language and language. Some people and other and go to the another country, they do not, they are do not speak English, English, and they are they are shamely they are samely and samely show on view, and and English is a not a language. English is a open the big opportunity all over the world, all over the world world they open a big opportunity, and connect to the people, connect to the people. My and other thing and other things, sometime later they are definitely speak English confidently, and 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 perfect as some perfect each sentence. Even my daily practice is a big change, change. Thank you.